In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your AZ screen recorder to the latest version. Now, by updating your AZ screen recorder, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with the latest version of AZ screen recorder, and as well you'll be able to fix errors and bugs that are associated with the older version of AZ screen recorder. To do this, you can either do it on Android smartphone through Google Play Store or on iPhone through App Store. So for this tutorial, I'm going to use an Android smartphone. And if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. To get started, go to Google Play Store, and as you can see, mine is here, and then tap on it to open. From this, go ahead and search AZ screen recorder. You can see it is here, and then go ahead and tap on it. And this will give you these two functions: uninstall and open. Now, if in your case you don't have open option here, then it means that you have an outdated AZ screen recorder, and what we need to do is to go ahead and update it. So if it's not open, it will be written update. Just go ahead and tap on update. Then this will go ahead and download the latest version of AZ recorder and then install it on your Android smartphone. Once it's done, now you'll see this open feature or open option that will be available. For my case, I'll not update because I already have the latest version of AZ screen recorder. From here, just proceed by tapping on it to open, or just if you go back to now to your apps, you should be able to see and find the latest version of your AZ screen recorder. So that's how you get the latest version of AZ screen recorder on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.